RK Real Estate works very hard to serve our communities in Michigan for any of their real estate needs. The RK team is equipped to work with a wide range of clients, including first-time home buyers, investors, builders, and sellers. We specialize in residential sales, new constructions, and investment properties. Additionally, RK Real Estate is trusted by HUD as a representative for the sale of government-owned properties. We've been chosen to represent the sale of many bank-owned properties, short sales, and foreclosures. We work with honesty and integrity that best serves your interests while also making the process as easy as possible for you. RK Real Estate is proud to have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We ask that you give us the opportunity to help you with any of your real estate needs. Reach out to us today. You can visit our website at rkrealtymi.com or call us today at 586-229-1500. You can also stop by our office located at 25 Mile and Mound Road in Shelby Township.